Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You've opened the document and saved a copy. Now place the cursor on the page you want in landscape. Once done, go directly to the Layout or Page Layout tab. This is where page setup lives. Make sure you're not in Print Preview, stay in the Editing view, because orientation controls are active here. You'll see margins, orientation, and size icons. Click Orientation to begin changing from Portrait to Landscape for the current section. You click Orientation and choose Landscape. That flips the whole section immediately, but you may only want one page changed. If so, insert a section break via breaks next page before and after the target page. Once the page is isolated, choose Orientation again. For precise control, open the Page Setup dialog launcher, adjust margins, and crucially, set Apply to this section so only that section is affected. This prevents unintended changes to the rest of the document. Once the orientation looks right, inspect headers and footers because section breaks can unlink them. Make sure Link to Previous is toggled as you want. Then switch to Print Layout and Print Preview to confirm how pages will output. If content shifts or margins collapse, undo to the last good state, reinsert clean section breaks, and reapply page setup. You can also copy the page content into a newly inserted section and set that section to landscape.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.